Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add push notification on your TikTok account. If you do not have your push notifications on your TikTok account, right here, the first thing you want to do is head over to your TikTok right here and open up your TikTok and head over to your profile right here. And then you'll be greeted with your profile right here. You'll be greeted with your profile. Now what you want to do is click this button right here, the three dots right here. Click the three dots next to your name at the top right here. Then you want to scroll down to where it says push notification right here. Click that, and then what you want to do is, if it's all of it is grayed out, what you want to do is go one by one and toggle them on. They should be green, meaning that they're toggled on right here. You see? You just want to toggle every one of them on if they are not gray, if they grayed out. If they are grayed out, what you want to do is click it right here, and they should turn on green right there. You see? All of them are green right there. Now, to save it, you just click the back arrow right here. And that's how to get the notification for your push notifications on your TikTok. Right here, when it says 3 right there, or more in the inbox, more notifications should be coming in your inbox right there. Now, the second method right here is going into your settings right here and head over to your apps right here, the app manager. And then what you want to do is scroll for the app called TikTok. Scroll there, scroll for the app called TikTok right here. Right there, scroll for the app TikTok. And then right there, you can either go to where it says storage right there, and then you can either clear data, clear cache right there. And that should do it right there. But I do not want to press the cache or clear the data, because sometimes that will sign you out of your TikTok account, which I do not want to do. Just click this clear data and clear cache right there, and that should usually fix your problem. The second method will only work the way I told you. Only if the first method did not work, then do the second method by clearing the data and clearing the cache. So that is it for this video, guys, on how to get push notifications on your TikTok account. Please like and comment down below what you think of this video. Bye.